Hello guys, are you just starting your IELTS journey? Well then, here are some tips for you. Start thinking in English. Well, listen to podcasts and watch movies in English with subtitles. Tip number 1, practice in front of a mirror. It might feel strange at first, but it helps to build fluency and confidence. Tip number 2, write every day. Try to practice writing at least 2 essays about different topics in one day. It's very helpful. Tip number 3, learn different accents. The most important part, familiarize yourself with different accents like British accent, American accent and Australian accent. They can all come in your listening segment. Tip number 4, learn new vocabulary every day. Try reading newspaper and learning at least 5 new words and using them in your essays every day. Or watch our videos regarding vocabulary. Tip number 5, progress takes time. So don't give up, and I promise you, your hard work will pay off one day. And don't forget to come to Spectrum Overseas for a better future. Thank you.